Comenzaremos con la primera mano de champú. Recordemos, ARTERO for Cats. Emulsionamos y este es el momento en el que comenzaremos a masajear el manto para crear espuma y arrastrar la suciedad. Ahora volveremos a controlar el caudal de agua y aclararemos la primera mano de champú. Comenzaremos con la segunda mano de champú para garantizar una limpieza completa y además un efecto duradero del baño.
Whether you've had a cat for long or are relatively new to this, you've probably asked yourself the big question: what is better, litter that clumps or litter that doesn't? The first thing you should know is that there isn't just one answer to this, because as long as you use a good product, either type will help you keep your home perfectly sanitized. So, we're going to help you learn about the different types of cat litter. At Sanicat, we call absorbent cat litter that which is mainly composed of high-quality clay, such as sepiolite or attapulgite, synthetic materials such as silicate gel, or organic materials such as wood or paper. They are capable of absorbing large quantities of liquids, keeping foul odors from your pet's urine from filling the air for a period of 5 to 12 days. This litter is also light and easy to transport. Clumping ones, meanwhile, are mainly made up of bentonites, which feature the property of solidifying in contact with liquids. This way you can easily notice what part of the litter has already been used, so that you can remove it daily with a scoop. This means that you will need to completely change the litter just once a month. Now you only need to ask yourself one thing: how often should I change my cat litter? If you're willing to dedicate a little bit of time each day, you should consider clumping litter, knowing that it will demand slightly more dedication. If your lifestyle doesn't allow you to clean your cat's litter on a daily basis, you should think about an absorbent litter. Always making sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions in order to ensure that your home is free of unpleasant odors. Lastly, please bear in mind that your cat also has an opinion, even though he may not be able to express it. Trust in a brand that offers you all the options. Try them all and choose the one you feel he is most comfortable with. Choose what's best for your cat, you, and your home.
Cuando me rompí el pie, creo que a Nico también le dolió, porque durante esas semanas no me dejó ni un segundo. ¿Todavía estás aquí? Hasta que me curé.
Para ti lo primero es la salud, para él lo primero eres tú. Por eso lo cuidas con Ultima, con ingredientes de primera calidad, sin colorantes ni conservantes. Ultima, cuida lo que más quieres, de Affinity.